Good morning, students. Today in Maths, we are continuing with our lesson number 5, Operations on Rational Numbers. Before starting with practice at 25, children, I would like to just tell you what is the meaning of mathematical expression and the rules which are used to simplify an expression. Now, an arrangement of numbers expressed using the signs of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is called as a mathematical expression. Now children, you can see here some numbers given over here, and these numbers are arranged using the signs like division, addition and multiplication. So such an arrangement of number by using these mathematical signs are known as mathematical expression. Now students, let us try to understand the rules which are used to. Now students, let us start with our practice at 25. Our first sub question is 50 multiplied by 5 divided by 2 plus 24. Now as per the rule, children, what we have to do? First we have to do multiplication, then division. Okay, that too we have to follow from left to right. So first here multiplication is here. So first we'll give the preference to this. Okay, so 50 multiplied by 5 is how much, children? 5 zeros is 0, 5 5 is 25. So 250, then write this, divide by 2 plus 24. Now children, division and addition is over here. So we will give the preference to division. Okay, always I have told you that you have to always start solving from left to right. Okay, now this 250 divided by 2 is how much it is? It is 1. If we divide 250 by 2, 2 ones are 2, 0, carry this 5, 2 twos are 4, 1, and carry this down 0 here, 2 5s are 10. Okay, remainder we are getting as 0. So 250 we divide by 2 is how much, children? It is 125. The 125 plus 24 is equals to how much? It is 941. That is how much it is? 1. Now students, our second sub question is bracket 13 multiplied by 4, complete the bracket, divide by 2 minus 26. So we will start the solution by writing the question as it is, children. Now first the bracket is given, children, here. So first what is the priority is, first we have to solve the bracket or the expression which is inside the bracket. So what it is, so we will give the preference to the expression which is inside the bracket. So what we will do, 13 4 is how much, children? 4 3 is 12, carry 1, 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 52, then divide by 2, then minus 26. Now in this expression, children, we have division and subtraction. So we will give the first preference to division. Okay, now when we divide 52 by 2, 2 twos are 4, minus 5 minus 4 is 1, bring this 2 here, now we are getting 12 here, 2 6 is 12. So when we subtract, we get here 0. So what we are getting, children, after dividing 52 by 2, we get here 26. Then we have here minus 26. So 26 minus 26 is, children, it is 0. So our final answer is 0. Now students, our third sub question is 140 divided by square bracket, and inside the bracket you can see a big expression. Okay, so whenever if it is given inside the bracket, children, don't get afraid of the seeing this big expression. Now you can see that inside this is known as square bracket. Okay, so inside the square bracket you can see that minus 11 multiplied by minus 3, then minus, then inside the bracket we have one more round bracket, minus 42 divided by 14 minus 1. Now children, even though the expression which is inside the bracket, first we have to solve the expression which is inside the bracket as per the rule. So we will start the solution by writing the question. Okay, so in the next step, children, what we will do, we will write 140 as it is, divide by, then as I have told you, children, even though the expression is inside the bracket, first we will be giving preference to the multiplication. Okay, so here what is minus 11 and minus 3, children? That is 11 3 is 33. So minus of minus is plus. So 11 3 is minus 11 into minus 3 is how much, children? It is plus 33. So we get here 33. Then here we have minus sign. Here also we have minus sign. So minus into minus, children, it is plus. Okay, plus 42. Then divide by 14. Then minus 1. Okay, close the bracket. Is that clear, children, what I did? Okay, now we have addition, division and subtraction. So the next preference we will be giving for the division over here. So what we will be doing here, we will be writing this 140 as it is, divide by here 33. Now children, when we divide 42 by 14, so it is 14 ones are 14, 14 twos is 28, 14 threes is 42. Right? So we will be having plus the value of 42 divided by 14 is how much, children? It is 3 minus 1. Okay. Now we have addition and subtraction. The next preference here will be given for what? Giving for addition, children. Okay. So here we will have here 140 divided by 33 plus 3 is 36 minus 1. Okay. So we will have 140 divided by 36 minus 1 is 35, children. Now what we have to do? We have to divide here 140 by 35. So we get here 35 ones are 35, 35 to the 70, 35 threes is 35 threes is how much? 15 carry 1, it is 105. 35 fours are, let me check. It is 20 carry 2, 12, yes, it is 140. So 35 fours is 140. Okay, children. So the answer for this is 4 is our answer. Is that clear? Now students, our fourth sub question is, here you can see one curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket you can see round bracket 220 minus 140. They have closed the bracket. Then plus, then that is square bracket. Okay, inside the square bracket you have 10 multiplied by 9 plus, then one more round bracket minus 2 multiplied by 5. Complete the bracket and they have curly bracket minus 100 is out of the bracket. So children, what we will be doing here? So in this expression we will write the solution by writing the question. Okay. In our next step, what we will be doing? We will be solving the contents, expressions which are inside the bracket. Now first let us solve this one, because here there is no addition, subtraction, nothing is given over here. It is a single bracket. Okay. So 220 minus 140 is how much, children? It is 80. Right. So we have solved this 80 plus. Now let us move on to this square bracket. And inside the square bracket, children, we have, this is multiplication. Okay. And here also multiplication. So let us solve this separately. Okay. By putting inside the square bracket 10 into 9, that is 10 nines is how much, children? It is 90. Then we have the plus sign. Okay. Then minus 2 into 5, that is minus 2 multiplied by 5 is how much, children? It is minus 10. So we are putting this inside the bracket. Okay. Minus 2 multiplied by 5 is we are putting inside the bracket. Then complete the square bracket. Then the curly bracket minus 100. Okay, children. Now again we have curly bracket 80 plus, we have here, now you can see here 90. Plus of minus is, children, it is minus 10. Okay. Close the bracket. Then again curly bracket minus 100. Then the next step we have curly bracket 80 plus 90 minus 10 is, it is 80, children. Okay. So we have solved this bracket. So we are writing here 80 minus 100. Now children, what is 80 plus 80? 80 plus 80 is how much? It is 160. So we are writing here 160 minus 100. So what is 160 minus 100, children? It is 60. So the simplification of this bracket, the final answer we are getting as 60. Is that clear, children?